How are you? How's it going?
Thank you very much. Our respected Governor of Benue State. I'm here today with two brothers, the Governor of Sokoto State, Right Honorable Tambua, and of course, Brother Honorable, who is also the Governor of Bauchi State, Senator Bala Mohammed. Your Excellency, thank you for receiving us here today as part of our ongoing consultation of three of us who have shown our indication to aspire for the presidency under a great party, and who also on our own came together about a couple of weeks ago and felt that in the interest of our party and in the interest of our great country, that we should come together and be able to find a consensus among us to be able to lead this country. We've said that our interest is very little compared to the interests of our party and this country. This country is at a very defining moment. The challenges are enormous, and we believe that only our party can rescue this country from where it is today. And those of us who are aspiring are committed to ensure that we find someone who will unite us, who we all support. That is the better way to unite the party and reduce the rancor in the process of having a candidate. But to do that, we must also carry along our key stakeholders in the party, leaders in the party like yourself, and that is why we're here today. Our plan is to see your other colleagues across the country. We are hoping today to see yourself and two other governors, and then also tomorrow some others. The whole purpose is that, yes, even if we do, and we are very hopeful that we will get a consensus amongst ourselves, it will not be an exercise complete if we do not carry you along. It's not after we have completed it, we now come and tell you this is what we have, because three of us alone cannot deliver a win, and it is all of us together. And that's why we felt right at the beginning, at this early stage of our deliberation, leaders of yourself must be part of, and that's why I had the private discussion to let you know that we're very serious about this. The seriousness comes out of our total belief that it is the unity of our party. All of us are eminently qualified to lead this country. It is about us ensuring that we put the country first, and that is why we're here. And we thank you for the fruitful discussion. Some of the things we've heard from you, very encouraging. And so we're not surprised, because that's the role you have always played in ensuring unity in our party. You didn't start now. When you're even at the party as a member of the National Working Committee, you played such roles. And that's why out of that acceptance and recognition of the role you have played, you have come here. We thank you for the advice also you have given and the commitment and promise to also be part of this success as we move around the country. We are confident, we're encouraged by your comments that what we are doing is in the best interest of our party and our country. Once again, on behalf of my colleagues, we thank you for receiving us. Thank you, Your Excellency.
As a representative, Nigerians can testify that during that time, they did very well, and they delivered on their mandate. And so I'm not surprised today they're coming out for Senate. They are eminently qualified. And my brother here, coming out for Senate, a former senator, a former minister, who were colleagues together in the administration of Goodluck Jonathan. Today he's governor, also governor. He's also eminently qualified. I'm very happy. This visit, I'm really humbled. If these three people, or one of them, had requested that they want to see me in Abuja or their state, in Kwara, or in Sokoto, or in Bauchi, I would have been there. But I'm humbled that a combination of these three coming to Benue State. I'm really humbled, but I'm honored. And I want to appreciate them for finding me worthy to be the first person after their Bauchi meeting to visit. I remain grateful. And I want to encourage them. They have done the right thing. They have taken the right step as an opposition party, aspiring to rescue Nigeria and rebuild Nigeria. They have done the right thing. Divided we fall, united we stand, and this is what they have started. And I want to encourage them to continue this advocacy and understanding, and not just within them, but with other people. They have said they are visiting the other people, including our southern brothers, who have indicated interest to be president of this country. Let us work together. As PDP, even as opposition, we have set standard for the ruling party. You can see what happened during their convention. It was because we arrived at a consensus during our convention. And today, they struggled. But you see, initially, they fought. They have to bring security men to coerce the people to accept what they did. Ours was not like that. This government of President Muhammadu Buhari have brought this country to its knees. But I'm not surprised, because in 2014, he told Nigerians that he was going to bring Nigeria from top to bottom. But we didn't understand. And that is where we are. My worry is that we're not just going to the bottom, we're going beneath the earth. So that is why PDP is willing to rescue Nigeria and then rebuild it. Truly, look at, just here, the three gentlemen that are standing here. Yesterday, we had another gentleman from Rivers State Governor Wike, who declared here in Benue State that he was going to seek for presidency. Look at these young men and compare the ancestors from APC that are seeking to be they are seeking to be president of this country. The young shall grow now. Let's allow this youth to grow. Truly, like I quote from my brother, the governor of Oyo State, who said that anybody who is after 70 years and is looking for presidency is an evil person who wants to ruin this country. Any person beyond 70 years should not be looking for presidency. These are people, today we're in the computer age. These three gentlemen you see here, they are computer literate, and they have the capacity. They are in the digital world. We cannot continue to be in the analog. How many of you were alive in 1930 or 1945 during the Second World War? How many of you were born that time? Even me, I was born in 1961. So the world has changed. We're in the digital world, and we must computerize and digitize governance too. That is what we're saying. These people here, they have the capacity. I have worked with them, and I believe in their capacity. They can rule this country. And I'm very happy, and I commended the three of them for initiating this unity forum of our aspirants. From Bauchi, they are in Benue today, they are going to Adamawa, they are going to other parts of Nigeria in the south. It is commendable. When the issue of presidency zoning or no zoning came, I say that I support Southern presidency for zoning, for equity, fairness, and justice. But I'm not the party. The party is supreme. Whatever the party decides is what I will accept. And as far as I'm concerned, they are visiting our Southern aspirants. And I believe that at the end of the day, it will be decided who should fly the flag. And all of us will team up and work up together to ensure that we rescue this country, because their personal ambition or my personal ambition does not matter. The ambition of Nigerians is what is important to all of us. And by the grace of God, with your support, we are going to rescue this country, rebuild it again. Once again, I appreciate my very distinguished brothers for paying this visit. I commend them. And I pray that at the end of the day, let God Almighty, who has the power, as I've always said, John 3:27, a man can receive nothing except is given to him from above. Let God give one of the PDP aspirants as president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so that we can go back to real life for our country. Thank you very much.
Your Excellencies, you said.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.